Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The MSI Cubi NUC AI plus 2 mg is a new ultra-compact mini PC featuring the highly efficient Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor with integrated Intel Arc 140V graphics. Weighing just 667 grams and with dimensions of 135.6 by 132.5 by 50.1 mm, it is designed for portability. The device comes with a 120W power adapter, a VESA mount for monitor installation, and a durable metal chassis with a rugged plastic finish. Connectivity is robust, with a front panel offering a power button with a fingerprint reader, a 3.5mm audio jack, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a microSD card reader, and a dedicated Copilot button. The rear panel includes 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, with DisplayPort 2.1 and 100W PD charging, 2 RJ45 connectors for 2.5 GBE networking, and an HDMI 2.1 output. It also features Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor, based on the Lunar Lake architecture, combines 4 performance cores and 4 low-power efficient cores, along with a 47 TOPS NPU for AI acceleration. With a TDP ranging from 8W to 37W, the processor is highly power efficient. However, the mini PC has limited upgrade options. Only the M.2 PCIe 4.0x4 SSD can be changed, as the LPDDR5X RAM is soldered to the motherboard. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.